We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button, tell me you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc., and it actually pulled downwards for most of the day, trying to come back up, but it wasn't the only stock falling. The overall market and the SPY fell as well, and our SPY bot since 7:05 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, leading up to the bell and throughout the day, put options went up 2 to 4x within hours, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So Bbig stock is trying to push back up. We have some key levels to talk about here based off 42 vision, so you're definitely going to want to stick around. But I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning. All three of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was GOVX. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards, and right at the bell, shifted into strength, got that bull indicator, and gave a highest point of 25% plus, dipped back down, and jumped up 10 to 20% plus moves, and gave a highest point again up here of 25% plus, giving two opportunities of 25% plus and collectively 50% plus of both highest points of possibility. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. And as I stated earlier in the video, it is trying to come back up, and it's formed like a double bottom effect here, right? We don't know just yet if this is going to be strong enough or not, but it has hit a double bottom effect there, and both times it's reversed at white with red borders. As I always state, they're very important to watch based off the 30-minute or any time frame on 42 vision, because those are the dip areas and there tends to be reversals. Now, some are weaker than others and some are stronger than others, right? And so far we're in the process of one trying to come back up. Now I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way, so you can receive that edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts in either direction. So Bbig stock has been here under a bear indicator all day today. It's trying to come back up after getting that bull indicator yesterday, and I did state that it's done a complete transition on the chart, and we need to see if this can actually continue, because it went from white with red borders to red with green, dark green, and it hit a bright green. And if it was going to transition back down, we needed to watch it carefully, and this bear indicator confirmed it was going to continue, because it shifted from bright green to dark green with red borders. Today it went into red, got that bear indicator, and today did a complete transition back down to extreme weakness and the dip area of white with red borders, and now it's trying to come back up. And this is the volatility I've been talking about in every single video, that it's going to be important to be able to have that edge and clarity of the charts to maximize within these moves, because I share the 30-minute, the 4-hour, the 1-day, but you can actually see this live within the 5-minute, right? Yesterday, it got that bull indicator, lasted almost all day. And then yesterday afternoon, it got a bear indicator, lasted into today, and never got a bull indicator and went even lower, right? And then the same thing on the 15-minute, right? Remove some of the volatility from the 5-minute, but here we are seeing that bull indicator going into the rest of the day yesterday, and then this bear indicator going into today, and now things are trying to shift back up to bullishness. And from this bear indicator at 233 all the way down to 219, almost 10%, and from this bull indicator from 224 to the recent high here of 229 is about a 3 to 5% jump, and it may continue as we go into the after hours and probably even tomorrow. So it's not just about the bigger pictures, but I use the 30-minute and the 4-hour and the 1-day to go ahead and do a proper analysis of my own opinions of what the charts are showing and what I see, right? So we're going to break it all down here, and the 4-hour has not shifted by much, right? It's been under a bear indicator since $3.04. Things have been going downwards, and every single time it's hit white with red borders, it tries to come back up and quickly fades away, right? Hits either dark green or red with green borders and then shifts right into red, and here we are again shifting right into red, trying to test that bottom again. And as we see in the 30-minute, it's trying to come back up. We're going to want to see this hold up, and if it continues those red bars or retest those lows and breaks through it, it's going to be significant, because at the end of the day, this has been under a bear indicator since way up here, and it's going to take a lot more momentum and force to bring it back up than just these small moves that have happened. These have been dead cat bounces so far, because every time it hits white with red borders, it's a new bottom, it bounces back up, and then it continues the trajectory to the downside. And this bear indicator has been holding true for nearly a whole entire month, and we'll see how that plays out for the rest of this week. Now, on the 1-day, we were watching this carefully. No bear indicator in the pullback until recently on the 20th of April and 21st, and that shift happened from those red bars into red bar with bear indicator, and it's been continuing, and so far has not found a bottom. It's trying to level off, but it seems like things are still in that downward direction, and we want this to turn back around where we could see some red with green borders and continuation of a shift back up and pull up the 4-hour with it, and then also the 30-minute to stay persistent, right? So far right now on the 15-minute, as we saw earlier, it does have a bull indicator. We'll have to see if that can hold, but on the 30-minute, no bull indicator just yet. And then we've been under a bear indicator here since up at 231. So the first support is obviously the low of the day, 219, 220. I've talked about this before, and it's very interesting that after falling down and trying to come back up, it created that support there again at 220, 219 range, and it's pushing back up. If that gets broken through, the bears are going to start dominating over the chart, and the bulls are going to lose traction pretty quickly. And if it does get broken through, the next support is down here at 211, 210, give or take, and then back down towards $2 and $1.95, which is the 52-week low range. Now, to the upside, we want to see this break above yesterday's high, and that's 239. I would just round that up to 240. If that's accomplished, then we have 245, and then back up here towards 264, and we can start zooming out and talking about other levels. But so far, we're down here at the 220s. We need to get back above 240, form a support, do that staircase effect for the bulls to start to dominate and some shorts to get squeezed out of their positions. Because right now, a lot of shorts are putting pressure, and there's a lot of new shorts or extra shorts shorting since way up here at $3 and some change, trying to put the pressure to bring it down lower. To receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make